Lip.
Go look in the mirror and groom yourself. Stop pulling your face down.
Suck your lip. Suck your lip, Papa. Yes,
Yeah, there you
Papa. Suck your lip. Suck your lip, Papa. Suck your lip. Suck your lip.
That's suck your lip, you know, suck your lip.
This is too cute.
I know, suck your lip.
Suck your lip.
Suck your lip. Suck your lip. Suck your top lip. Suck your top lip. Get it together now. Yeah, you're getting frustrated. Hey.
Romel.
Romel, suck your lip. Suck your lip. Get it together. Get it together. He don't know which one is the bottom or the top.
He's like, ooh.
Watch out, watch
Makes
out.
my face more appealing.